In this course, we are going to be creating a micro virtual reality game. This is going to be just a nice introductory project into actually creating a VR game inside of Unity. So let's begin by looking at what exactly we're going to be creating. We're going to be creating this little VR game right here. As you can see, we have our hand controllers. We can then pick up various foods and place them on the barbecue. They'll cook. And yeah, this is just going to be a basic little scene where we can interact with objects as well as being able to teleport around. And as you can see, we can pick up these objects and throw them around too, so there are physics applied to these as well. And this is all going to be done using drag and drop components found in the Zenva VR library. So now let's look at exactly what we're going to do. First up, we're going to be creating a new Unity project and setting up the outdoor scene. We'll be importing some models and the Zenva VR library. Then we're going to create a food cooking mechanic, which is going to allow us to place food on the barbecue and cook it. This can really be whatever you want. It's just going to be our little sort of demo scene and gameplay mechanic. And then after this, we're going to set up the project to work with our VR devices. So if you have an Oculus Go, a Rift, a Vive, a Index, any sort of VR headset can pretty much work inside of Unity. And then we are also going to implement player teleportation. So we're going to be able to point our hand pretty much anywhere around and be able to teleport to that location. And this is all going to be done using various components and prefabs found in the Zenva VR library. For the actual VR side of things, there's going to be no programming whatsoever in this course. The only programming is going to be when we are creating our food mechanic, which is only going to be a short script. So this Zenva VR library will allow us to get pre-made prefabs, just drag and drop them into the scene and press play, and we'll also then be able to easily attach components to objects we want to interact with, surfaces we want to teleport on, and any other sort of systems that we want to introduce will all be done through dragging and dropping in components and new prefabs. Zenva is an online learning academy with over 500,000 students. We feature a wide range of courses for people who are just starting out or for people who just want to learn something new. The courses are also very versatile, allowing you to learn in pretty much whatever way you want. You can choose to view the online video courses, read the included lesson summaries, or even download the included course project files to follow along with the instructor. Now let's get started with the project.